Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. From itching to scratching, Shawn is taking over social media with his viral song, Itch Scratch, making it an Itch Scratch Christmas at home and abroad.
It was just having fun. I mean, the song never right. It's just a pure vibe. Just a vibe on 4 bar, 8 bar, 4 bar, 8 bar, that's a vibe. So that song really civil.
He says it is his most viral track to date, taking the reins from My Life, which was released more than a decade ago, and his 2024 track, Loyalty.
They do different things than with them two songs they do. Within like 48 hours. You know, within 48 hours, from people being ridiculing it to people being saluting it.
A bystander in the clash between Massacre and Tommy Lee, Shawn found himself caught in the crossfire, but wasted no time reminding fans of his lyrical prowess.
Anybody have something for prove? Me have something for prove too, you know. In about 13 years, I could have get for prove, you know. So me have something for prove more than who have something for prove. And that is dancehall. But after have clash, dancehall and I like say, remember, you know, lyrical, you know, like we are war physically, lyrical. People being entertained, people like the camaraderie, people like the bantering. People love them things there. It's entertaining.
And with many Jamaicans heading to Western Jamaica to spread Christmas cheer following the devastation of Hurricane Melissa, the DJ, who has already made several trips, is looking to amplify his efforts by providing housing.
The more I do this time, is more I get some sheet, a zinc, and plywood. And you see me, I move and see how we can, some cement as well, and some block to a lesser extent, and see how we can even build 2 houses. For even 2 houses, I go try build back for 2 family. You see me? That's my aim. For Question Records Foundation, which is my foundation.
Vybz Kartel creates a wave after landing in the top 5 of Billboard's rhythmic play chart. The DJ attained this feat with his collaboration on American rapper Travis Scott's PBT with South African singer Tyler. The track jumped from number 7 to 5 this week, marking Kartel's highest placement yet on the chart. The top 5 breakthrough becomes Kartel's 5th Billboard song entry overall. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.